Hello guys, I am currently enrolled in Google certification course, and in that there is one assignment where I have to do data visualization using Tableau and present the outcomes by using a presentation, create a video and post it online. So I have used the carbon dioxide emissions data. It is also available in BigQuery and other open source data. Here, the major issue in carbon emissions is that, as per Bill Gates, the world produces 52 billion tons of net carbon emissions annually. So it is crucial to see which of the areas are doing worse and region wise where most of the carbon emissions are coming. So Google data, first I had a raw data, then I cleaned it, and after cleaning it I can see that I have around 13,000 rows that are cleaned. Now using that, when I draw it in Tableau, I see that the region which has highest amount of emissions is this blue line that is going on, blue line, and secondly is the orange line. So these two have just crossed the limits, and you can see that East Asia and Pacific region is there, and secondly is European nations and Central Asia. Now this is the region specific. Now let's see per capita wise which areas. So there is the data. I again cleaned it and used some pivot elements here, and then I found out that from 1960s till like 2020s, how is this per capita emissions growing, and obviously I need the cumulative data. Now when I draw it using map visuals on Tableau, you can see that the major area is the darkest one. So this is the one dark area, then another you can see here, and finally I saw it here. These three are the most darkest. So what this our Tableau device helps us is that we can hover on it, and you can see that this is country name Qatar. So Qatar has highest per capita carbon dioxide emissions. Then secondly is the Luxembourg, and finally the third is Aruba. So India, you can see India is like at 0.75 carbon dioxide emissions per capita carbon dioxide emissions. So the criticism you can see, and then China is 2.26 carbon dioxide per capita metric tons. So if I have to the per capita carbon dioxide emissions, Qatar is the highest, then comes the European nations where Luxembourg was one of the highest, and then in Americas there is Aruba country which is 21.77 per capita carbon dioxide metric ton emissions. Now in Tableau you can do that, you can combine the two charts that we saw previously, and you can see that it beautifully creates these two charts here. And Tableau, you can see that I have sheet 1, then there is sheet 2, and when combined the dashboard, you can see that there is average carbon dioxide per capita and there is carbon dioxide production by region, and you can see that how East Asia is doing, how are the European nations are doing, and here on the top you can see that this dark red Qatar, or you can see that whole region how it performs. So Tableau has its own advantages. Now Tableau is a useful tool for visualization of data, and it saves a lot of time and gets desired visuals in no time. I think I have majorly emphasized on time, because when you use any other